Hello and welcome back to Creative World of Photography and Videography. My name is Jay from Jay's Creative Image. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic movement in Adobe Photoshop using Blur tool. This is one of my recent fashion editorial photo shoot pictures. I'm going to use this picture as an example to create a dynamic movement. So let's jump into the Photoshop. So first thing what you have to do is you have to create this image as a smart object. So I'm going to go to the background layer over here, right click on it and click convert to smart object. And the next step is go to filter, go to blur gallery and path blur. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a path for this one. So I'm going to create a path. So I'm going to click on here, click over there, make a curve. Click here and click again in the point and click in the middle point, make a curve. Click here and click over here, click again over here in the end point, go to the middle point and drag it over there, and again click it over here and click it again and click one more time there, click to the middle point and drag it over there, change the speed to 60 and unclick the centered blur, click OK. So it will take a little bit time to process it. Now click on the smart filter over here. Make sure the foreground color is black. Click on the brush tool. Opacity should be 100, flow 100. And what you have to do, just draw over here. Over here, and you can, if you want, you can click a little bit over here, and that's it. So this is a very fast and effective way to create a dynamic movement. So this is one of the methods to create a dynamic movement in Adobe Photoshop. You can create this same effect in Photoshoot as well using a different camera setting. I'll show you in another day how to create a dynamic effect in Photoshoot. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video with an interesting subject. Until then, keep clicking, keep creating.